This is a fast car. Regardless of what you may or may not read on the internet, this car is very fast. I promise you, you don't need a faster car. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with wanting a faster car or chasing numbers if that's what you want. The heart wants what it wants, right? I'm just here to tell you that you don't need a faster car, and your car is fast enough. As somebody who has now owned 4 performance cars in the last 8 years, I've definitely grown a lot. I've definitely learned a lot, and I've come to the conclusion that you don't really need a faster car. The first performance-oriented car that I purchased back 8 years ago when I got into cars was a 2018 Subaru BRZ. If you know anything about that platform, those cars are very slow. They have around 200 horsepower. Mine was tuned. It had a full exhaust and an off-the-shelf tune, and it was pushing probably around 215 horsepower if I'm being generous. I had that car for 3 years. I absolutely loved it, and I loved it so much that after 3 years of ownership, I bought a 2019 Toyota 86, which of course is the exact same car, just dressed up very slightly differently. I did the same thing with that car. I did a full exhaust. I did a open flash tune, which is just an off-the-shelf tune, and again, probably pushing around 215 horsepower. That car, in terms of a performance car, by every definition, was a slow car. But to this day, having owned an SS 1LE Camaro, a Stage 2 tuned Audi RS3 that was pushing 420 horsepower and 460 foot-pound torque, and now this 2018 RS3, I can say with confidence that the most fun that I have had daily driving in a car was the 86 and the BRZ. Now, is it fun to go really fast in a straight line from time to time? Of course it is, right? But the problem is, within a very short window, you are going illegal speeds. And if you go illegal speeds often enough, the chances are you're going to get in trouble. We don't like to get in trouble. I don't like to get in trouble. I don't want to lose my license. I don't want to put other people at risk. So I can't really drive like that. Now, if your goal with your car is to take it to the track or a drag strip and have a lot of fun there with all of the horsepower that the car offers, that's all fine and good, right? I don't have nothing against that, and I actually don't have anything against wanting or wanting to own or chasing numbers at all, because I do it myself. All I'm saying is, if you are in a position where, especially if you're younger, you think that you need a faster car and you need to chase numbers because somebody else has a faster car than you, I'm here to tell you there's good news. You can have a lot more fun in a car with a lot less power than what you think you may need. There is an age-old saying that I think may have originated on Reddit, to be honest, that goes, driving a slow car fast is more fun than driving a fast car slow. Now, after owning several performance cars myself, I 100% agree with that statement. I do not regret buying this car at all. Obviously, this is actually one of my obtainable dream cars. I absolutely love everything about it. It does everything. It's an all-around amazing daily driver. But in terms of a car that you want to have fun in, and you want to have as much fun as possible as a daily driver around town, you're going to get a better miles per gallon experience with a smaller, more nimble, lighter car that may actually have substantially less horsepower that you might think you need. That's all I wanted to cover in this video, guys. If you enjoy this kind of content, feel free to subscribe and follow along. I also post a little bit of fitness content from time to time, so if you're interested in that, hit that sub button. Leave me a comment as well. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you think I'm wrong. Thanks again for watching, guys, and like always, I will see you all in the next video.